Hi everyone, I wanted to come on here and do another mini brands fill the fridge unboxing, and I have my fridge here. I already did one, so if you want to watch, go to part 1, and this is part 2. And I got these little magnets right here to put on there. So we have 2 more to go through. As you can see, some mini brands for the refrigerator. So I'm going to open her up. Sorry I'm not on camera, just hasn't been a good day today, so I just don't really feel like being on camera. Not feeling the greatest. Oh my, they have this closed really good. Okay, let me try and get it off. Okay, I'm back. See, I have 2 of them. And I'm going to probably just do both of them on here. Okay. I get it done. Oh man. Something on its hair. Hopefully we don't get too many duplicates. Okay, let me get this off. This is the part that's really hard for me. There's like nowhere to pull. Oh yeah, there is. Okay. Just hard to see. Okay, I found it. Okay, and here's what it looks like. Okay. So the first, they give you quite a bit in these things. So here's the first one. I'm gonna open it up. It's hard to get open. Okay. A duplicate, you guys. We have this one. The broccoli. So I'm going to stick it to the side in this little thing. That's okay. I have dolls and stuff that I like to collect. I can put it with something I have. Okay, here's an Eggo one. I'm pretty sure we have this one. But I'm not sure. I'd have to double check. But regardless, it's really cute. I'll put it to the side. Oh, we don't have this one. It is a fruit tray. And it looks like that at the bottom. That is so cool. I wonder if I can open it. See the little things in it. Yeah, you can. That's what it looks like on the inside. That is so cute. Okay. Okay, I'm so glad we got one. That's one we didn't have, so that's great. Fresh milk. Oh, this is adorable. Oh, Cool Whip. That is too cute. Okay, oh, this is cute too. It's an IHOP pancake. A little go container. That is so cute. We didn't have that one either. And here's the little thing. Afterwards, I'll check everything off that I have. And then here's an they always give a magnet. We didn't have this one, so I'm glad we didn't get a duplicate. So we only got one duplicate out of that one, which is fine. Okay, and so on to the next one. Uh-oh. It's not wanting to appear today. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so we got it, all of it off. And again, we have quite a bit. Excuse my nails. I was supposed to go today to get my nails done, but I wasn't feeling well. Plus, my stepdad went and had to go to the ER. He wasn't feeling too well. And this is a duplicate too. This is Oats jar, so I'll put him in there. Oh, I think this is another duplicate. I don't know if I have this particular Jello, but I think I do. We'll stick it over here and we'll check later. I don't want to open it up because it'll all fall out. I'll show everything at the end because I really want to collect all of them. Oh, and I think I have the fish. I'm pretty sure I do. Oh no, I thought it was a duplicate. Okay, no, it's not. It's, ooh, I can't see any, glasses. It looks like barbecue, but it's definitely Kraft. The brand Kraft. It looks like, barbecue. I'm happy about that. That's cute. Oh, another duplicate milk. Well, that's okay. You can always have more. People have more than one bottle milk in their fridge. Whatever, I'll put it in there. But I wanted something new. Let's see. Hopefully this is not a duplicate. Okay, this is not. Thank goodness. This is Italian dressing by the brand Kraft. So cute. So that is my unboxing. Oh, wait a minute. There's the magnet. Do I have this magnet? No. Okay, good. A new magnet. So that is all I had. And again, I'm gonna mark all this off, and I'm gonna try again because I definitely want to collect all of them. So thank you all for watching. Please leave me a like, comment. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and God bless.